In today's video I will show you how to add glow effect to video in CapCut. Launch CapCut on your PC and open project where you want to apply the glow effect. Duplicate video clip that you want to add the glow effect to. Select duplicated video clip and change the blend mode to color dodge, or another mode that enhances the glow effect. Adjust opacity to around 80. Go to Effects tab, find Edge Glow effect, and apply it to the duplicated video clip. Now adjust parameters to control intensity of glow. Go back to original video clip, adjust settings to enhance overall appearance. You can tweak parameters like lightness, contrast, highlights, and shadow to make video visually appealing. Preview edited video to ensure glow effect enhance the overall visual appeal. Make any final adjustment as needed. And once you are done, you can export your video. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.